Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change Instagram password. Friends, due to security reason, it is always better to change your Instagram password after some time. So to change your Instagram password, you simply need to press on this profile icon. Now in your profile, you need to press on these three lines. Here you need to press on settings. In settings, press on security. In security, press on password. Friends, here you need to enter your current password, and if due to any reason you don't remember your current password, then you simply need to press on reset it with Facebook. Friends, here you need to enter your current password, but if due to any reason you don't remember your current password, then you simply need to use the option reset it with Facebook. Rest, as I know my current password, then I simply enter it. Now after entering current password, press on new password. Now here you need to enter your new password. Now after entering the new password, now here you need to enter the new password again. Now after providing the details, you simply need to press on this tick icon and your password will be reset. So friends, like this you can very easily change your Instagram password. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.